One of the programs that the Forward Fund supports is the Sparkathon program. And this is a program geared for early career physicians and scientists who are about to take the next step in their careers to become independent investigators. I was first a participant in 2018. I'm now a faculty organizer of the program. And for me, the opportunity to meet peers, to form organic collaborations with those thinking about the same hurdles in immuno-oncology that I was, has really been instrumental in moving my career forward. My Sparkathon or Sparky colleagues have become some of my closest collaborators. In fact, when my lab was shut down during COVID, I was able to send samples to one of my colleagues, Dr. Jessica Thaxton, where she was able to finish some revisions for a manuscript that was really important for my career. And that was my big paper that I needed to get out on the faculty job market, which then helped me secure a faculty position.
The SITC fellowship, it was really a career-changing moment. I received a fellowship in 2014 while I was a second-year postdoc. I was young and I was just starting my science, and seeing a society that is investing in me a significant amount of funding was for me really a big push to continue the career in science. It was like, they trust me, so what I'm doing can have an impact. The SITC fellowship was probably the main reason why I continued to stay in the US and continue doing science.
The Forward Fund Fellowship allowed me to transition from being a hematology oncology fellow to being an attending faculty at Massachusetts General Hospital, while allowing me the protected time to work on one of my advanced research projects where we're trying to understand the toxicities caused by immune checkpoint inhibitors. And it allowed us to submit that project to a major journal, and it has given me the opportunity to develop some of the preliminary work that's going into our my career development awards that I'm currently writing at the moment.
The funding from the Forward Fund was very important for me to continue doing my research as a postdoc in the lab of Dr. Sprenger, because it allows me to, one, accomplish the science that I wanted to do and address the question why some patients do not respond to checkpoint blockade therapy, particularly studying lung cancer, which is the cancer that I study in the lab. And then also gave me the opportunity to travel and go to the annual SITC meeting where I can present the data that I have generated, but also interact with colleagues and get feedback and establish potential collaborations and also connections that will be important for me in the future.
And then I was asked by SITC to help organizing Sparkathon, and I immediately said yes, because I thought it was a fantastic opportunity for me to give back. I received so much from SITC and from the Forward Fund that I wanted to have the opportunity to give back. I feel like I was one of them only 5 or 6 years ago, and now I'm on the other side. And I think that's exactly what a scientific society should do for career development. Basically taking people when they are in the early stage of the career and helping them becoming leaders. And that's, I think, what SITC does particularly well.
The Forward Fund also supports the Women's Leadership Institute, which aims to provide mentoring for emerging female leaders.
Thanks to the Forward Fund, I attended the Women Leadership Institute, and this has been a great experience for me to learn from more experienced women how their career path has been, how things work or maybe didn't work as expected, and how they managed to get the position that they have.
I consider SITC one of the pillars of my academic career, and I've met so many people, peers, but also senior mentors at SITC that I know they are there and they will sponsor me and support me through my academic journey. And it all started with the Forward Fund Fellowship.
Thank you for giving to the Forward Fund.
When I discover why some patients do not respond to checkpoint blockade therapy, it will be because of you.
When I discover why lymphoma patients do not respond to CAR therapy, it will be because of you.
Thank you for making a difference in my career.
Thank you for inspiring me.
Thank you for giving to the Forward Fund.